It's started.
Sweet. All right. This is our week 4 to 5 team assignment MegaDesk 2.0. I am Jonathan.
I'm Chris Bunker.
I'm Kendra Anderson.
Sweet. And we'll be adding another length of video with Katz, our other team member. She's also been participating. Anyway, here's our application. First, we're going to view all quotes, and that pulls from the JSON file that shows the storage there of 2 quotes that have been stored. Now we're going to add a new quote. Actually, I'm going to make that more distinct, whatever. Kendra's quote. 34, 13, 2 drawers, redwood, 3-day shipping. There we go. There's your quote. We're going to click back again. We're going to view all quotes just to check that it's there. It is indeed there, along with our other 2. We're going to search quotes. We're going to search for redwood. There we go. Kendra's popped up. Looks like there's no other ones with redwood. Let's look for oak. ASDF is there. There are no other ones with oak. What was the other one? What did the other one have? I had pine. Pine. All right, we're going to search for pine. Hey, there it is. There are no other ones. All right, cool. That's our thing. Sweet.
I think we each have to talk about our contribution
Okay, cool.
to the code.
I drove often. Yeah, I mainly worked on the view all quotes part of the code, and in making sure that we passed in the correct list with all of the things we wanted to view, whether it was all of them or if we were using search quotes to pass in just a smaller part of that list to only view, ones with pine wood. But yeah.
Chris, helped with the search quotes function. And really, this is pretty basic code. All that it really does is accepts a selected list item and saves that to a variable and uses that variable in reference with a list of desk quotes to tell you which ones it's going to display. And then we pass that information on to the view all quotes. We're just reusing that same thing to display the filtered quotes.
Nice. Yeah, I worked on the reading from the rush order prices. I had to make a function in desk quote, I believe it was.
Desk quote.
So yeah, in the desk quote file, I think it was down towards the bottom. Yeah, the get rush order. I wrote that function to create a stream reader and read the text file. And then I put all of the information from the text file into an array and then turned it into a 2-dimensional array. And then I think in display quotes is where I actually put that information into a switch. Yeah, right there. So depending on if they choose 3 or 5 or 7, it'll decide which part of the array it's going to use to get the price.
Yes, and Katz isn't here, but Katz helped me a lot with view all quotes. She paired with me to help me understand how to put the list together and how to write up this function specifically to be able to read multiple items from a list. Yeah. So yeah,
there you go.
That's our application. Thanks for coming to our TED Talk.